Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT to many requests. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, simple fixes. Turn off your VPN, and if you do have ad blocker, disable it for now. Alright, and then once that's done, make sure that you have a stable connection, as unstable connection causes this issue. And after that, check if it works. Try. If it says the same exact thing, well, you'll have to wait it out. Right? Stop typing and wait for at least 15 minutes for the rate limit to reset. So maybe you've waited long enough, 15 minutes or more, and you still got the issue. Option 1, you'll have to log out. All right? Log out and just log back in. Once that's done, check if it works. If that still won't work, click on the 3 dots right here at the very top. Go ahead over to Settings. In the left panel, you have Privacy and Security. Scroll down, delete browsing data. Make sure that cookies and other site data is selected, as well as cached images and files are selected. Okay. And once done, make sure that all time is selected, and after that, click on Delete from this data. All right. And once that's done, gotta go back to ChatGPT and check if it works. If that still won't work, click on 3 dots again. Let's go ahead over to Settings once more. And then we are going to find again Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down. Find third-party cookies. Now scroll down again. Click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Now gotta find ChatGPT and OpenAI right here. Delete OpenAI. Delete. ChatGPT as well. Delete and delete. I'm not going to do it because I don't have the problem anymore. So once that's done, force close the browser and reopen it again. And after that, open up ChatGPT, type down a query, and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, another quick fix for that is that you can go ahead and try to use a backup account, right? Maybe you have another ChatGPT account, or just basically create one. It's pretty easy. Create another account and continue your work from there. If you want long-term solutions, you'll have to upgrade for ChatGPT Plus, as it offers significantly higher hourly message limits. And that is how you fix ChatGPT to many requests. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.